Trading doesn't stop when you're busy, and neither should your trade copier. Meet trade2sync, a completely redesigned trade copier built to make automated trading simpler, faster, and available wherever you are. Just connect your Telegram, link your broker, choose your preferred settings, and let trade2sync take care of the rest. No VPS, no expert advisors, and no complicated setup. Just intelligent cloud automation that executes your signals in under 15 milliseconds. No matter which trading platform you use, MT4, MT5, CTrader, DXTrade, or TradeLocker, trade2sync continues executing your signals automatically in the cloud. With real-time notifications, seamless cloud execution, and a modern interface designed around speed and simplicity, trade2sync helps you stay connected to the market without constantly watching it. This isn't just another trade copier, it's a smarter, faster, and more flexible way to automate your trading experience.